The mountains in Saudi Arabia were capped with snow Saturday morning after a huge drop in temperature overnight. Videos of the storm, and people celebrating the snowfall, circulated widely on social media, with impressive scenes of Jabal al-Lawz, located in the northwest of the kingdom, covered with snow. People have been flocking to Jabal al-Lawz since Saturday, when snow began to fall in most areas. More snow is expected to fall on Jabal al-Lawz as well as the mountain areas of Al-Dar and Alkan early on Sunday, with temperatures expected to drop below 0 degrees Celsius. Jabal al-Lawz is a mountain in the northwest of Saudi Arabia near the Jordanian border. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia's National Center for Meteorology says the regions of Riyadh, Makkah, Medina, Eastern Province, Al-Baha, Asir, Jazan, Al-Qasim, Tabuk, Al-Juf and Hail will receive moderate to heavy rains. It seems soon the Arab land will be green. This is so surprising. What the Prophet Muhammad says, 1,500 years ago become true now. The Prophet Muhammad predicted that one of the signs of the end of times would be that the land of Arabia would return to greenery and rivers, as it once was, reported by Muslim. This might be a surprising statement, in light of the fact that the Arabs did not think that Arabia was once luscious and fertile, and had rivers. What we think is that Arabia becoming meadows and rivers again is something concerning which there is no doubt, but we cannot be certain that it will happen because of the melting of the ice cap, because that is known only to God. But we mention this view because it is relevant, and because it has been said by some specialists, both Muslims and non-believers. It was narrated from Abu Huraira that the Messenger of God said, "The hour will not begin until the land of the Arabs once again becomes meadows and rivers." Narrated by Muslim. Meadows refers to spacious land with a great deal of vegetation. This hadith is a scientific miracle that describes a natural fact that was not understood by scientists until the late 20th century, when it was proven by definitive evidence that the Arabian Peninsula was meadows and rivers in ancient times. Climate studies have also indicated that the arid desert is now on its way to becoming meadows and rivers again, because the Earth throughout its long history passes through climatic changes that take place gradually over long periods of time, or they may be sudden and swift. Climate studies indicate that we are coming into a new rainy period, the evidence of which is the shift of the ice cap in the northern hemisphere towards the south, and a noticeable fall in winter temperatures. The fact that the Prophet referred to this ice age in his hadith, until the land of the Arabs once again becomes meadows and rivers, is proof of his prophethood, and shows that he was always connected to divine revelation, and was taught by the Creator of the heavens and the earth.